always a reason to come up in your stadium and leave your team wheezing. Believe we own it, so show us our opponent. That other coach scared, man, he really don't want it. Oh yeah, we want that title, nothing less than that Lombardi. Cause everybody know that ATL love to party on the 40, 30, 20, 10. Now it's time to celebrate, call up ESPN. And when it's 10, we play a little harder. And when we in that red zone, we play a little smarter. Bottle popping when we